Welcome to this video that demonstrates Blueprint's robotic process automation tool integrations. Blueprint integrates with the leading RPA tools, so you can quickly and easily load processes that have been optimized and that are aligned with business strategy and customer needs in Blueprint. These processes also adhere to the multitude of enterprise constraints like regulatory obligations, corporate policies, business rules, controls, non-functional requirements to provide complete, precise information on what's to be automated. And they can have any number of attachments to clarify and extend upon information that's in the process, such as example or guidance information, to help the RPA developer stay aligned with what's needed by the business. Here's a process in Blueprint that's been discovered or mined, and that, in Blueprint, has been completely aligned with higher-level business processes, needs, and strategy. Some of the enterprise constraints that apply to it are shown on the right side. And here's that exact same information populated into Automation Anywhere. Clicking on the process artifact shows the process that came from Blueprint, just in the Automation Anywhere format. And here's the same information, this time in Blue Prism, and here in UiPath. As mentioned, it's not just the process that comes over, but all the critical enterprise constraint information and attachments. On the left here in Blue Prism, you can see the non-functional requirements that Blueprint provided. Requirements on currencies to be supported, languages, performance requirements for cycle times and loads to be handled. And if you click on any of these, Blueprint immediately pops up, showing you that item's details. Blueprint also automatically generates a complete set of acceptance tests for every process and provides that as well. And for every step of the process, Blueprint automatically generates a gherkin for test automation and provides that to the RPA tool. As mentioned, attachments also come from Blueprint into the RPA tool. This happens to be a PDF attachment with the 10 most common invoice types that this robotic process for extracting invoice information needs to handle. And here, there's a constraint on one of the process steps, which, when clicked, shows that it's part of the California Privacy Act that applies to the work this robotic process is doing. Certainly something we'd better not miss. With Blueprint's robotic process automation integrations, processes are populated into the RPA tool of choice automatically. This streamlines collaboration between business stakeholders and RPA developers and removes a key source of error. RPA developers start their work not with a blank sheet of paper, but with a process that's been optimized and perfectly aligned with business strategy and customer needs in Blueprint. This gets RPA developers started right from the outset. And not just processes, but the myriad of enterprise constraints, just those that are applicable to the process, are provided as well. They're associated on the precise process steps where they apply. This means nothing's misinterpreted, and that these critical items are not missed, which translates into fewer unpleasant surprises later. And Blueprint automatically generates a complete set of acceptance test scenarios and gherkins for the process. Because they're automatically generated, they're perfectly aligned with the process. All of this saves countless hours of work and improves overall quality. Thank you for watching this video on Blueprint's robotic process automation tool integrations.